Every home that anyone has lived in at one point was brand new.
Builders are playing such an important role in our market.
What they're doing is they're fueling communities, they're fueling charter schools.
Buying a home is a super stressful process. Building a home is that much more stressful. And it's really important for a builder to have the right lender.
Profitability is extremely key to the builder.
They've all got a reason that they do what they do, and they've got a vision for their company. But the vision never comes to fruition unless they're profitable.
Because of our efficiencies, because of our knowledge, because of our experience, we not only directly but indirectly help builders become more profitable.
Our Movement 671 process is designed to do just that, to execute at a high level at a high percentage of the time. The fact that we upfront underwrite, we are able to say yes quick, but say no quicker.
I mean, that upfront underwrite that we have is such a crucial piece to our builder partners, as it helps cut down their cycle times, helping them mitigate risks and helping them defer costs that they'd otherwise be exposed to. Inevitably, at the end, adds to their profitability on the bottom line for our builder partners.
As a realtor working with Movement, it's the best lender I've ever worked with.
They're definitely always on time, getting everything together that they need to proceed so that we can close the home.
We have lots of homes under construction at different stages of contracts. And with Movement, they have a great follow-up system. I'm always a step ahead because of Movement.
When it comes to the profitability of the builder, it's extremely important that we hit our on-time closings.
So a lot of our competitors they've got time, they'll wait till the end, and then they start looking into things, find out that things had changed 3 months ago. Sometimes those changes could have been avoided, sometimes those changes could have been mitigated in the time left, but they weren't known.
Unnecessary delays on closings because your processes are not set up correctly as the builder's lender, then that's going to add extra days and carry costs.
Being a lender that is set up to close builder loans helps the builder in many, many facets and give our builder the assurance that they're going to close on time and have a happy customer at the end.